All right, so multi-step problems. So this is our last sort of lesson in the first outcome. So we've actually learned all the skills in the first outcome that you need. So what this is doing is just kind of putting all those skills together. And I've got one, two, three, four, five problems here that sort of use a combination of different skills. They kind of force you to think a little bit. So I don't want to do a full video of all five of these problems. What I really want you to do is I want you to look at these problems and pick one or two of them maybe and see if you can work through from start to finish on one or two of these problems. If you want a real challenge, absolutely you can try and tackle all five. So I'm not going to do a video solution to these. What I will do is I will post solutions. So I'll make up some solutions and post them in the file with the blank copy of the lesson. So again, what I want you to do is try them. Usually if we're in class, I have people work together on these problems. So if you can connect with somebody else in the class somehow, either through Google Chat or just text a friend and see if you want to get together and work together on these sort of over the phone or whatever, you can absolutely do that. And again, you don't have to do all five. Pick one or two that you want to work through, maybe three. Just see how your time goes there. And then once you've solved one or two, or you've attempted one or two on your own, maybe just make sure you've read through all five and maybe look at my solutions for all five so you see how it would have gone. But really, this is just to sort of challenge your understanding and your skills in this unit. So the key thing is I've given you a bunch of information all in the problem. What you really have to do with these problems is figure out what information have you been given and what are you required to solve for, and how do those two things connect? You got to kind of look at, okay, they told me this information. How do I get from what's given to what's required? And sometimes some of the information that's given isn't needed in order to get to what's required. So you got to really look at what's the question asking, what pieces of the puzzle have I told you, and how do you use those pieces to get to the end picture? So that's it for this video here. Again, you will find full solutions to all five of these problems uh, on the classroom, but attempt at least two of them on your own before looking at the solutions. That would be my request. And if you have any questions about anything, just get in contact with me and ask me for help.